Menteri Luar Negeri AS Antony Blinken mengecam tindakan eskalatif dan melawan hukum Cina di Laut Cina Selatan pada hari Sabtu, 27 Juli 2024. Beberapa jam sebelum ia dijadwalkan mengadakan pembicaraan dengan diplomat tinggi Beijing pada pertemuan regional di Laos.
Fostering our cooperation in the maritime connected relation, our partnership should also contribute
to strategic partnership, and we've elevated our work together on digital issues.
ASEAN-US, as well as for justice and humanity.
As we take stock of this affirmative agenda, we also have to work together to address challenges to this shared vision, whether it's Russia's illegal invasion of Ukraine, the DPRK's nuclear weapons and ballistic missile programs, the ongoing and heartbreaking crisis in Burma, or the PRC's escalatory and unlawful actions taken against the Philippines in the South China Sea over the last few months. On that, we are pleased to take note of the successful resupply today at the second Thomas Shoal, which is the product of an agreement reached between the Philippines and China. We applaud that and hope and expect to see that it continues going forward. Finally,
when we talk about respecting international law, it should be applied to all. It should be applied in Ukraine issue, South China Sea, and certainly for Palestine. In Palestine, for example, we cannot continue closing our eyes to see the dire humanitarian situation in Gaza. As we speak now, almost 40,000 people have died. We need a ceasefire. We need a sustainable peace to stop this human suffering. So let us
download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.